Hello all, welcome to Excel Basic Part 2. In Part 1 we have learned about the formatting of the Excel, how to use the formatting area of this Excel using the wrap text and the alignments of the text. And now we are going to learn about the copy paste. I know it sounds very simple that everybody knows that copy paste, how to do copy paste, Control C, Control V. That's not a big deal. Yes, but it is in Excel we do have some additional option in the copy paste. Like suppose we are going to copy paste this entire table here, but I don't want this data on this not I don't want this same format. So what I'll do is go and copy paste, use the paste spatial, and I want only values to be pasted here. Okay, so only my value will be pasted here, not the format. Because I wanted to give some different format, so that's the reason I have select this option. Okay, Control Z to get rid of all this. Again, I want to get on the first spatial with this on the values of this, so that will not cover the only formulas. So it will only copy paste the formulas which we have pasted in the entire table. When we can use this kind of this option is when I have suppose copied this one here, okay, and this I have created here, this thing. Let's copy paste. Now I'll just select copy and select here paste formulas. As the data is same, so it has given me the same answer and it has not copied the formats. Match formulas, match the destination formatting. Let's do this. So if we change here, it should get different. So formula is applied B13 to C13, but why we have guessed B3 C3, so it will change as per the cell reference, and we can drag it here. So now let's go to. There are a lot of options in paste spatial. When you click on Ctrl C, it would give you the all paste spatial options here. All sorts of themes, values and the number formats only, column widths only. So it will take only this column width, and not it will take any other data from there. Values and formats, formulas, formats. So if I have a different table here and I like this format to be copied here. Now when I'm creating some different table or here on sheet 2, so I don't want this data actually. I want only this format, so I can create any other table on that. Paste special, go to paste special and copy only format. Okay, so I got the format here. So I can put my data, whatever anything else is required. Let's say name, age, past. Okay, let's say status. And what we can give is, okay, let's say contribution. Okay, now it is going out, so we can double click here, so it will take the last one. Now, oh, sorry for the bad spell. We'll just give you the some random names here. John, Arnold, Steve, Mike. Oh, now I want to add some more data here, but I don't have space here. So what I'll do, what I can do is select this and click on insert rows or sheet cells, sheet rows. Same way I'll get it here. Or also there is a shortcut for this. Select all this and hit Ctrl plus. So it will add all these new rows for you. Okay. Now if I want to add one cell only, so select insert cell and this shift this cell to down, right, or well down. At this this cell, just shift it down, or it could shift to right, or you want to add the entire row or entire column. So if for entire row and column, I told you the shortcut, that is a control plus, or else you can select here and you can go to insert sales, insert sheet rows. So using the shortcuts gives you the benefit of saving some time. Okay, so you don't have to just leave your keyboard and go back to here and click on insert, and sometimes you may be working in the insert, so you have to go back to home and again you will go to this area and then come back to the insert area, so that will save your time. So this is the way you can do it. Same way with the delete as well. I want to delete this. Okay, so I'll select this and use control minus, so it will ask me shift cells up, this one. Yes, I want to shift to up, so again it come back to this. Or same way, if I want to okay, after adding this data here, uh, return, what else am I going to say is, okay, so I forgot all the names now, I don't have any other names to put here, so I want to delete this. Select, delete, delete sheet rows, okay, delete it. Same way you can use the control minus as well. Okay, so now put this age here, everyone's age. I'm just putting the random age for everyone, 26, 32, 26, 15, 26, 26, my code is 24, and the Rita is 21. Status, the status is um, single, 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 married, married, single, married. Okay, contribution towards it, it's 500, 500, 500, 500, 650, 241. Let's change some numbers here. Okay, so why have taken this kind of odd data here? Because we need to know how to filter this data. Okay, so we are going to learn filter in this. Let's select all this and go to filter. Okay, so now let's format it. I want the people who is the age of 26. Okay, so select or remove it, just select one. So it will show me only the people who are 26 of age. Okay, select all, again all the data. How many people are married? So this much. The filter happens on the common data. I mean, if in particular column, if you know that this is the column which consists of the status, the single, married, and maybe divorced or something, so you can identify that and you can put a filter on it. But there are cases in that you don't have the some identical data, like in this case, uh, we don't want any same amount here, so 128. So we don't have any identical data here. There is no pattern of a data here, but still we want to filter it out. So we will, based on there some data, we will filter it out on the people who have contributed more than 200 and the less than 400. So I need a people who have contributed to between 200 and 300. So what I'll do is I'll put a filter on, go to number filters, and you can select the on the basis of this conditions. Okay, so we can go to who have maybe it says equals to, we get the exact amount here, and or you can use it in that like does not equal to, who have not paid or no, we'll have to take the greater than or equal to, the people who have contributed more than 250 rupees. or the dollars. So it will show you that one. The people who have clear filter, number filter, and go to less than or equal to, people who have contributed. We need to find out least contributor, and as per our standard the least contributor is whoever the person who have contributed below 220 rupees. So let's do 20. So these are the list. The John is the culprit here who has contributed the least one. Okay. Now there is again one more option here. Now on the age basis, I go to this conditional formatting and highlight cell rows and ask them new rule, their values. The value which consists is 26. Please highlight those cells greater than 26 or less than 26. Let me check which format I has taken it. And top bottom, top 10 item. Let's take the top 10s here. And we need top 3. Let's check the top 3. Okay. So we got this top 3, and you can, based on that, you can filter on color basis as well. Now why it is not giving is, let's clear filter from age. Why? Because of this maybe. Delete. It should give us now. Yeah. No. Yeah. So on that basis, you can select the colors. So this way you can, based on your requirement, you can do the filters. If you want to remove it, just remove the filter again, and I'll go to again here. Let's clear only formats, then select it, give it to that. Okay. See, sometimes I have multiple datas here. Control C, Control V, Control V, V. Okay. There may be a name change, but yes. So when I scroll up, it goes up. These things goes up. So if I want to see, okay, what was this? Okay, this is the status. Okay, I want to come back again, and this like this. So what I want is this should stay when I scroll, and this should go up. The remaining data should go up. So if I click here, go to view, and freeze top row. See, it will help you when you have a data which has a lot of number of rows which crosses your screen. So this will help you to get the data, and we have lot of titles here, and it is very difficult when you have passed your half of your data, and then you come back upside and you can see, oh yeah, this column consists this kind of data. This is a simple data to understand, so it's very easy, but there are some tables which has the complicated status titles, so that's very difficult to get things. Same way, if I want to remove it, unfreeze pans, and there would be a chances the data may go horizontally. So freeze pans, freeze first column, see, did you observe it? That goes down. This will stay, and this will go up like this. See, When you extract data from some of the softwares, it comes like this. It has a lot of data on your right side of the table. So this will help you to know about the what the first column. If you, that depends on the how your you want to see your data. That left which one is the important, the leftmost column or the top right column. So according to that, you can freeze the pans and you can use your this table to view it. I hope you like this and it's been informative for you. If you like that, or if you think that this is informative for you and you learn something from this, I request you to please subscribe my channel and give us a like on this video and share your comment on this. Thank you very much.